Hello, let's see how to back up WhatsApp chats. Step 1. Download Chrome extension. Head to Google and type Premium Sender Best and scroll down to this website. Next, go to Premium Hub Toolkit and select WhatsApp Backup and click on Export WhatsApp Chats in one click. And you'll be redirected to a page and choose Add to Chrome and Add Extension. Go to Extension and pin it for easy access and reload WhatsApp Web. Step 2. Chat backup using Count of Messages. In the extension, choose Count of Messages and select a chat for backup and write your messages count to be exported like 10 or 11, and tick the box or not to include media, and click on Start Backup. Here you can choose the download file type, and I am going to HTML and choose Download. After this, go to Download and you can find separate documents of all and the HTML file. Click and open. Here is your chat backup and you can download GIFs, images, and videos too. Step 3. Chat backup using date range. Return home and select date range. Now select the chat for export and choose starting date from the calendar and ending date for backup and choose Start Backup. Now let's go for Excel download. Go to Downloads and open it. You will find all the files and Excel sheet. Open it to find the messages and other attributes. Give it a try today and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.